And briefly, at the end of it, it all just depends on the problem around us. There are a lot of problems. In fact, one of the reasons why I'm not considering to leave Nigeria is because we have a lot of problems. And I'm not ready to go to where they've solved almost every problem. So here is where the problem is. And where there's problem, there's money. But the bottom line is, we oftentimes just try to look for easy way. And if we really want real success, we need to solve actual problem. It's not just about putting food on our table. It's about making things that generations upon generations can benefit from. And somebody needs to till that ground. Somebody needs to look for that treasure. And I feel like in our generation, I don't think there's any better time to be the one to discover that treasure. Okay, so in all, I am going to be facilitating the tech part of all the things we're saying. And the bottom line is, whether you are into perfume, whether you're into food business, there's the aspect of tech to everything. Because at the end of the day, like our mommy here, they can only be here in one instance. But with the introduction of tech into anything, you can be in multiple places at the same time. So which means if you're supposed to be making 20,000 naira, if you can properly implement the tech part of it, you can make as many money as possible. All you just need to be doing is monitoring and making sure that things are working fine. And that boils down to the process that our pastors have mentioned. So some of the things I'm going to be sharing will be, yes, the tech part, and also how we can be technologically intelligent when it comes to business, and some of the things that we can introduce to our business. So thank you.